Good morning, guys. Wow, the markets are just going crazy. I just did a 14 coin overview for you guys. If you want to watch this, I did it on the channel. Make sure you guys are watching this. I literally went through everything, showing you guys EUS is exploding, ADA is exploding. It is just insane. We've done about $8,000, not of recovery, but actually of profit in about the last 8 hours. I want to show this to you guys. Let's go to the portfolio here. Look at this. We're actually almost sitting at $9,000 in the last 24 hours. I gave you guys a screenshot in the Telegram channel, and it was a little bit lower than this about 12 hours ago. So that's why I'm claiming that $8,000. But it's right around that 12-hour mark. Close to $8,000, guys. Actually, probably a little bit more in the last 24 hours. So this market is taking off. We also just won our 113th win on Shiba Inu for 12.82%, and then we moved the stop loss again on SHIB to lock in another 15.25, and that trade is still going in the profit. And then we took our 114th win over here in a row, which we did on Avalanche, and we have Avalanche as a stop loss that is still active, and that has not hit, so that could actually blow up even higher. So really quick, let me show this to you guys. Sorry, I didn't mean to click on ADA, but ADA is blowing up here too. SHIB, the last one we took an exit on, here's a stop loss. I will keep moving this up, guys, if we keep going. I do think we're going to see a move down here pretty soon, so that's why I did that for you guys. And then last but not least, Avalanche. Let me take a look at this. We have a stop loss moved here as well, and we're just continuing to move up here. Crazy. I do want to show you guys something. A lot of people claim that Ethereum is the parent altcoin. I don't disagree with that. But I want to show you guys something where long trades are decreasing and short trades are increasing, which is not necessarily a bullish sign for the market to keep going up here. So let's dive into this. Looking at the indicators that most retail traders use, we're seeing that this is solid green, guys. You know when I see this, I'm looking for institutions to short back down. This is absolutely unsustainable. I want to be the voice this morning out on YouTube that is not the voice of, oh, we're just going to pump up here. It probably won't even be a prediction video too much, guys. Like the next high we can probably hit is up here. I'm not going to come out here and say we're hitting all-time highs soon. I really believe what needs to happen here is a healthy higher low formation, probably, guys, back down to structural support, maybe around about $3,200. That would actually be incredibly healthy for this continuation to move back up. When a price moves up this fast, guys, it makes me more nervous that we're going to start moving down faster the higher we go. Take a look at this as well. The trend exhaustion and well money flow are very high right now. Okay. In the past, what's happened here, because this market is just continually going up, even in an uptrend, you do see pullbacks in the market. And you're like, man, it doesn't look like that big of a drop. But you know what? This is actually a decent sized drop back down here. Look at this over here. Trend exhaustion high. Well, money flow didn't get up high up here. This was literally like close to the bottom over here. It's still moved down. That's why number one, we check trend exhaustion first, and then we look at well money flow. It's when they're both high, guys. That's when you're looking for those very nice moves back down or the higher low formations. You guys can see this over here as well. Trend exhaustion high, well money flow high over here. That's what ended up calling this drop in the market there, as well as over here, trend exhaustion high, well money flow high, and then we see this drop here. These indicators are literally, I know I'm talking a lot about this recently. They're 84% off today. You guys have 3 days left on March 31st. At 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, they're going to be going back up in price, okay? You guys have 3 days left because the 28th, 29, 30, 31, 3 days left there. Depending on when you guys are watching this, and maybe less if you guys are in different time zones. But the reason we talk about these a lot, I talk about a lot, is because they're using incredible data in here, honestly, to predict market moves back down. When you guys are getting into these markets and you guys are scalping with us and you guys know that strategy in the masterclass and the trend exhaustion is low here, just like it was down here, and you guys see well money flow low and you're in the anxious or fearful emotional state in the market, this is a very good place. I'm talking about this right around here, a very good place to get into the market and take some profits, 3 to 4%. Okay, our big strategy that we use with the big buy limits over here, this is where we're up $8,000 this morning. I'll show you guys how to get into this trade, but really, really good indicators you guys don't want to be missing out on. And literally, you guys have 8 days left. My apologies, guys. You have 3 days left, and then it'll be going back up. I don't know where 8 days came from. Maybe something cool is going to happen in 8 days. Maybe we'll break above $50,000 for Ethereum in 8, or for for Bitcoin. Oh my gosh, let's get this correct here. Okay, $50,000 on Ethereum. I may become a millionaire actually on crypto. Okay, guys. The emotional index for Ethereum over here is definitely sitting in the greedy area. What I just like to do is I like to see, okay, what has happened last time we get up into these areas? There are moments here where we just see absolute crashes back down in the market. There are other times where we see overextended markets and bull runs. Okay? Guys, I want to make this really clear. Our indicators are incredible. We've won 114 trades in a row. And if you guys actually come out here and look at the testimonials, that I actually put this out here for you guys so you can see this. These indicators, this guy made $43,000. $1,200 only using 2 indicators. What are they? Trend exhaustion, price for swell, money flow. Okay, guys? $4,000 plus in 24 hours. 2,200. I'm showing this to you guys. $20,000 in cryptos and stocks. It's just like ridiculous what people are doing here. And these indicators are about, I would say, 75 to 80% accurate. Okay, but you need to understand something. Not all indicators are always going to be accurate, and it's actually a good thing. Let me explain this. Okay, I'll use this for example. If this market here tells us the accuracy is, let's say, 75 to 80% probability that we're going to move back down, okay, this is good because this means short traders are going to come out here in the market and try to short this back down. But if it starts moving back up, it's going to squeeze people. The biggest thing, guys, is even when indicators are not always accurate, which none of them are 100%, you then must have a risk management strategy that can pick up the slack. Because I'm not going to sit here and tell you guys we're 90 to 95% accurate on our indicators. I coded indicators for a living for TradingView.com customers, guys. Don't let anybody tell you their indicators are over 85 to 90% accurate. Okay, maybe in a certain time frame, I've actually shown you guys where we called the last 16 drops in a row on Ethereum, but by no means can you call that 100% because there's data before that you haven't looked at. So, coming from someone who's literally coded indicators for a living, like for TradingView.com customers, guys, these two are the best for crypto. Really, I'm convinced of this, and you guys can see that. I just want to point that out. My point is, when that 15 to 20% takes place where they're not as accurate as we like, our risk management strategy takes over. And usually, guys, in this type of market, it just means the price is going to go up. So we're all still making money. It's a really good combo. Look at this. Short trades increasing here. This literally just updated with fresh data. So like we're not even talking about like 30 minutes old. Absolutely fresh data this morning. Long trades are moving out, guys, during this pump. You can see the pump here. Short trades are moving up, long trades are moving out. This is a huge bearish sign that people are putting shorts in the market right now at structure resistances here. This is why I've been telling you guys on the 14 coin overview, I'm looking for a move back down. Okay, long trades moving out tells me, well, actually, let me go down here further. I want to show you guys something over here. So market cap is moving up. So yes, people are putting their money in Ethereum. That's awesome. But there are other coins, if you guys saw the overview, where market cap is moving down. I believe what can be happening right now is people are selling out of their positions, their long trades, and putting their money into USDT and USDC. Okay? Because those are stable coins and people want to secure their profit here before I move back down. Like, guys, we are literally at break even right now for this trade. This may be the 100, well, actually, there's a couple other trades that are probably going to be our 115th and 16th. This might be our 117th or 18th win here. And like I said, guys, we're targeting 120 wins by the end of the month, and we actually may hit this if this thing blows up here. So do watch for a possible move down there. Overall, the reason why I'm not calling a drastic drop in the market is because market cap is still staying high. So I think, guys, this could just be a temporary higher low formation for another move back up. Now let me pull you guys over here real quick and then we'll keep going to the metrics. Look at the S&P 500 as it's updated this morning. We are sitting at resistance right here. This is a time and a place right now where this could be seeing a nice move back down. Same with everything else. Nothing can keep just heading up, heading up, heading up. So watch that. The next resistance I'm watching for, so you guys can watch this, S&P 500. Remember, S&P 500 is let's see. Sorry, let me get this exactly in here. I would say probably about 460. No, that's too high. I'm sorry, guys. 457. I know this is awkward. I was trying to give you guys a whole number there, but it's awkward. It is really like 457. That's the area of resistance where we could be heading back up and then seeing a drop back down. A drop in S&P 500 will drop crypto. It will drop crypto. Watch it. Okay, let's move down here. Trades in favor. Definitely short trades in favor this morning than long trades, guys. This is not going to just keep blasting up, blasting up, blasting up. I do believe this is going to see a move back down. Wells institutions, they're already coming out here. They're preparing for the drop back down. You know what, guys? I'll be honest with you. Let me see how to say this. I wouldn't be surprised if our account goes back down under 150. Now, the reason why I'm not selling is because I can't prove that to you guys, that it is going to, in fact, go down below 150 because we're going to get a higher low formation and a drop. So I'm going to keep my positions open, and we will exit positions once they're in the profit, but we're still waiting for a few to get in the profit. So that's why, we're still holding right now. Ethereum, my exit for you guys, so you know, is this structure right up here. So watch this week. If we start heading up here, I'm looking to take about a 10 to 12% profit on this. We're going to take a 50% exit, move the stop loss here in case the market wants to blast off. We're going to keep moving the stop loss up, just like I did for the other coins this morning. Okay. Moving down here, guys. Resistance. The next greatest resistance is up here, and that's the one I was looking at. It's about 41.57. So, I'm sorry, guys. Actually, 41.57 is up here, right around there. I think we need to exit around here. I think this is actually too aggressive for a pump up here without a move back down. So, I'm going to be looking for the exit of about 30. I would look about like 3,800. Yeah, 3,800. That's probably exactly where I'll be looking for an exit, just so you guys know. Dollar cost average entries. Those of you guys who took our entries down here, oh my goodness, you guys are doing ridiculously well, okay? You guys are sitting up right now probably about, I don't want to guess. I was just going to show you this, you guys. Oops, sorry, I'm clicking something else on here. You guys are 34%. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. I actually entered into Ethereum at 2250. With the $59,000 that we had, and I'm still holding this trade. So we entered in right back over here. So that trade we entered into, and I called this out on Telegram with you guys, that trade is currently sitting up about 50%. 50%, guys. And if you guys don't, actually, let me show this to you guys. I don't want you guys just to like believe what I say. I want to actually show this to you guys. Take a look at the, oops, sorry, that's not it. Let's go to the orders. And then let's go back over here. For some reason, this is kind of getting funky. Let's go right there. Let's go back over. And I'll show you guys where we entered into this. I don't want to just say this because you guys believe it. Let me go to the field. Okay. Scroll down here. It was on, I think it was like the 24th or something like that. We entered in with a ridiculous amount of coins. Yeah, there we go. ADA, Solana, Doge. Nope, that's not it. Let's go down here a little bit further. Sorry, guys. If I can't find it real quick, I'll just move on in this video because I don't want to take a lot of time doing this. But there was a day we just did like a ridiculous amount of buys when we entered in $49,000 worth. Yeah, it's right here. Okay, so let's see. Where do we enter in with Ethereum? Ethereum got entered into 2251. Yeah, so 2251 is where we entered in, and it was a pretty decent amount. So that wasn't too bad. And we entered a lot of other coins down at that area. Partly why the account's doing so well is because we did enter in down at really like the low of the low, and now we're holding. And some of our coins are up over 50% right now. We're just holding. So guys, that's what you get if you follow this channel. I'll call out all those entries. When I saw that, guys, I'm like, something in my gut, and from the analysis was like, this has got to be the bottom. So that's when I injected almost $50,000 and you guys could follow me. Okay, let me show you how to get into a trade setup right now for Ethereum and all of our other coins so you guys can watch this. Let's go to the crypto charts. I'm going to show this to you on Bitcoin. By the way, guys, real quick, I won't go over the indicators in the end. I'll just do it right now. You guys make sure you're getting the indicator bundle. You guys have 3 days left. The 31st at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, I'm upping the price of these indicators back to what it was. Okay, I discounted this to 84% in this bear market because I wanted to give you guys a good sell before the market moved up. Now that everyone's making thousands of dollars, you guys can obviously afford this, and this is honestly super cheap. It's cheaper than our Black Friday sale. You'll get all of the indicators, the 3 that I use on my charts, but you'll also get the other 6 indicators on top of them. So you get 9 indicators. It's a one-time purchase. It is not a monthly deal. You guys also get the source codes to all the indicators as well. So make sure you guys are snagging this. You literally have 3 days left. Do not miss that, okay? It really, like, people are doing insane. Go look at the testimonials over there. Okay, here's how you guys trade with all of our metrics here. What you're going to do is choose the amount you want to enter in with. Let's say it's $1,000 you guys want to trade with. Now split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions. Okay. Now once you have that, split it into 4 equal portions and place each portion at a yellow buy limit. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys are literally going to see 4 yellow buy limits this morning on Ethereum. So watch that. Okay. The drop down and then move back up. Once your first buy limit is hit, set a sell limit up here in green. So in case the market blows up like it did this morning, you guys can take some profit there. Once you do that, follow me in Telegram where I'm going to be calling exits for all of our coins, just as I've been doing this morning for all of you guys, and you guys are taking profits. I also, with you guys, exited Avalanche with you. Not the whole trade. The 50% still sitting there with a stop loss, but I'm monitoring this today, and I'm going to be spending a lot of time just looking at the charts today so I can keep us all updated on that. Guys, the membership is only $95 a month. Literally, we're up $8,000 in the last 12 hours. So I know my account's a little bit larger maybe than some of you guys, but I'll tell you, my account's a lot smaller than some of you guys I work with. My millionaire, traders that I coach, $10 million plus. You guys are making a ton of money. Guys, February is going to make millionaires. Let it go down as February will be the month that made millionaires. It's going to be pretty ridiculous. So guys, get a membership, snag the indicators in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless you so much. It's going to be a ridiculous week, and I'll keep you guys updated on Telegram as well as with the videos. But congratulations for everyone who's trading with us. We're doing awesome. And make sure you guys get those indicators on sale before they do go up in about literally 3 days here. It's not about literally 3 days on the 31st at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. All right, guys, I love you. Have a good one. I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye-bye.